Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami triangle. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper of the given measurements, which are 9 by 9 centimeters square. Fold the piece of paper into two equal halves and press well. Now repeat this step from the other side and press it. Open it. Now fold a triangle towards the center and press it. Now from the second side, press it well. Now from the third one, and finally the fourth. Open it. Now join the two corners and press it from the center. Alright, now fold according to the creases on your paper. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Alright, now wrap it as shown in the video. Alright, and it's done. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this.